Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here, and in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about another interesting functionality, and it's called Object.fromEntries. And guys, just would like to warn you that this tutorial is going to be quite short, because I think I can cover this functionality really quickly. But again, I think it's worth to mention that this functionality can be utilized on a daily basis, and that's why I decided to come up with the tutorial. Okay guys, let's jump into the example. Okay, first of all guys, this functionality from entries, it's a method that transforms a list of key value pairs into an object. So now let's discuss about examples. For example, here you can see that I created a map, right? Map is already created, and we have this arrays essentially, right? So the first element here in each array is going to be, it is presented as a key, and this the second one as a value, right? And the same in this array. So guys, and when we use this map or apply from entries to this map, so let's see what kind of result we will get. So here we go guys, right? That's the actual result. So essentially what happened is this map was transformed to object, right? With key value pairs, right? Foo, which is key in this case, you can see in the object, in the final object, foo is the key and value is bar, right? Which is corresponding to this array. And the same in case of this array, right? Now this bas, it's key in this newly created object, and 42 is value, right? And guys, this is a newly created object, right? It's it's literally new object. Cool guys. So also not just we can work not just with maps, right? We can work with any iterable things, right? For example, with map, array, or object, right? And for example, I also have a second example, and this is the actual array, right? So, and it's array of arrays, right? And you can see again that each array here is presenting key or key value pairs, right? Key and value, right? And essentially, predictably, we should come up with a new object that's going to contain 3 key value pairs, right? Where this one is going to be the first key, 1 is going to be the second key, 2 is going to be the third key, and so on, right? So let's see what kind of result we will get. So here we go guys. This is our object, right? And you can see this is the key, value, and so on, right? So guys, that's how this functionality works. And guys, to be honest with you, because in JavaScript we always working with objects, and sometimes we need to come up with new objects, right? And I think this functionality can be applied to real life. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap up this tutorial. Hope guys it makes sense, and hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did guys, please like this tutorial. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe if you follow my tutorials and if you like them. Okay guys, and see you next time. Goodbye.